Okay, guys, so as you can see, my copy of Flannan Isle is very annotated, which means I've written all over it. And I'm hoping that, yes, that is what yours will eventually look like. Even if it's just adding questions, even if it's just giving definitions for words, or kind of explaining it to yourself, or numbering the stanzas, whatever it is, you should always be writing on your text so you know, like, that you are fully comprehending and breaking apart each part of it. So that being said, we're going to go ahead and start with Flannan Isle by Wilfred Wilson Gibson. All right, here we go. Stanza 1. Though 3 men dwell on Flannan Isle to keep the lamp alight, as we steered under the lee, we caught no glimmer through the night. So right in this first stanza, if you look over here, you see that this, we'll look over at this side first, Flannan Isle, and it's talking about keeping the lamp alight. So we can assume that the setting is this isle, named Flannan Isle, and that it is a lighthouse and kind of like an island, right? It's this little lighthouse on an island. We also know that there are 3 men living on this island, and all they're doing is keeping this lighthouse going. So then we've got our main characters. So as we steered under the lee, we caught no glimmer through the night. Now, if you know anything about lighthouses, you know that lighthouses are that big light that stays on at night to keep ships from running into like islands or rocks or peninsulas. So the fact that this light is not on through the night right over here lets the reader know something is wrong or something has happened. So although there are 3 men living on this island, they're not doing their job. We know something is wrong. So we've got all this going on. We've got the setting. We know that something has happened. We know that there were 3 men. We know all kinds of stuff just from that first stanza, just by breaking it down, just by looking at that little piece. I know it looks like a lot, but it really isn't. So I had a question. Stanza 1, how did the speaker know to check on the isle? So if this is this lonely isle out in the middle of the ocean or by the coast, how did they know to go check on this isle? We are about to find out in stanza 2.